Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use Jane software tutorial for beginners. So first, what is Jane software? Jane is an all-in-one practice management software built for health, wellness, and medical clinics. It handles online booking, charting, billing, payments, and client management. Now on getting started, first is logging in and the dashboard. Visit Jane app login. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. The dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your day's schedule, upcoming appointments, outstanding tasks or invoices, notifications, and reminders. Here's some tip. You can customize your notification under My Account and then Notifications. Now, on setting up your profile. First, go to Settings, Stuff, and your name. Upload a photo, set your title, and add a bio if you want clients to see it. Set your working hours in Schedule settings. Next, creating and managing your schedule. Navigate to the Schedule tab. To block off time, click on the desired time slot. Select block time and enter details. Now to book an appointment, click on the time slot, select the client or create a new one, and then pick the service and save. Some tips are use the week view for a broader schedule overview. Next, on adding and managing clients. Go to Clients and then New Clients. Enter client details. Input name, email, and phone number. Also address if you want to. And then emergency contact info. Invite them to book online if you have online booking enabled. On client management, view past and upcoming appointments, add notes, or upload documents under the client profile. Track payments and outstanding balances. Next is for the charting or clinical notes. Open the client profile or appointment, go to charting, then plus new chart entry. Jane offers templates, SOAP notes, intake forms, etc. You can add text, images, or diagrams. Lock the chart when done. Some tip is you can create custom templates under settings, then chart templates. Now, online booking setup. Go to settings, online booking, and enable online booking and customize it. Which services are visible, staff availability, and appointment vouchers, and share your booking link with clients. Now for invoicing and payments. Go to billing and then new invoice or open a client appointment. Jane auto-generates invoices from appointments. Now add payment details like cash, credit, and insurance. Use integrated payments processors like Jane Payments or Stripe. For insurance billing, add insurers to the client profile and then create and submit claims through Jane. Now for the reminders and notification. Jane automatically sends email and SMS to appointment reminders, booking confirmations, and follow-up messages. Now for report and analytics. Go to Reports tab. Now for track, it can track income and sales, accounts receivable, practitioner performance, and appointment trends. And lastly, the integrations. Jane connects with payments processors, insurance portals, MailChimp, and telehealth for video sessions. And that's basically it.